Welcome to the Crypto Channel. Matty Mo here with you again. 43,000 to 41.5. We're in limbo right now. We don't know where we're going. That's just really starting to get on my nerves. I'll tell you that much. You know, these flash crashes, I don't have time to prepare teleprompter and whatnot. And I just, speaking out of thin air, the Bitcoin, it's been a bit of a dud here recently, but it controls the market. Ethereum, the evil sister twin. Gas fees, exorbitant. Ethereum 2.2 is supposed to help that out. So they're still the number two dogs, and they have 20% of the dominance, 18.9, compared to 40% of the market in total market cap for Bitcoin. So that's gone down a little bit. The one no one really talks about it, but it's BNB. I think it's starting to get down there at an appropriate buy level. So what are we going to do about that, huh? Excuse me. What are we going to do about that? What are we going to do about that? Preparing the right time to buy certain coins, and then dollar cost averaging on other ones that have been on the decline, and then taking profits when we finally get to a reasonable level of return. Russia's central bank on Thursday proposed banning the use and mining of cryptocurrencies on Russian territory. This move is the latest in a global cryptocurrency crackdown, as governments from Asia to the United States worry that privately operated and highly volatile digital currencies could undermine their control of financial and monetary systems. Russia has argued for years against cryptocurrencies, saying they could be used in money laundering or to finance terrorism. Seems right up your alley, huh, Russia? It eventually gave them legal status in 2020, but banned their use as a means of payment. Putin! I mean, you are basically one of my favorite fruits from Canada. It feels like all the government's just trying to, no. DeFi, no, don't like that. Decentralized, they're not a big fan of it. In a report published on Thursday, the central bank said speculative demand primarily determined cryptocurrency's rapid growth, that they carried characteristics of a financial pyramid. Financial pyramid, my friends. It all goes back to the pyramids in ancient Egypt. I have been there. I have visited the temples of Karnak. And let me tell you something. Mathematics, something lost that we have not yet found, is that cryptocurrency. Is that the stairway to heaven? This is not financial advice, by the way. All right. Rapid growth, that they carried characteristics of a financial pyramid, warning of potential bubbles in the market threatening financial stability and citizens. The bank proposed preventing financial institutions from carrying out any operations with cryptocurrencies, and said mechanisms should be developed to block transactions aimed at buying or selling cryptocurrencies for fiat currencies. The proposed ban includes crypto exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchange, Binance told Reuters. We talked about Binance earlier. It was committed to work with regulators and hoped the report's release would spawn dialogue with the central bank on protecting the interests of Russian crypto users. Restrictions on owning cryptocurrency are not envisaged. I'm going to have to Google, what the freak does envisaged mean? Envisaged? Always a good time to Google here on the show. Envisaged. We're going to learn something together. And it is contemplate or conceive of as a possibility or a desirable future event. The Rome Treaty envisaged free movement across frontiers. I get it. Okay. Wonderful. Let's get back to the show, shall we? Shadowing China. This is what I'm saying. Russia and China hand in hand together again. And, you know, China's already been angering me a lot these days, even though I visited that fine country, just to Hong Kong for a couple days on my way to India. Nevertheless, why are you following the footsteps of your evil step brother, China? Like, the governments. Can you just... These things are making money for the people. And that is something that the government, they don't want that. Oh, that's a big surprise. Okay, back to the show, back to the news here at hand. You've already probably read it if I looked it out of the screen. The central bank said it would work with regulators in countries where crypto exchanges are registered to collect information about the operations of Russian clients. It pointed to steps taken in other countries such as China to curb cryptocurrency activity. In September, China intensified its crackdown on cryptocurrencies with a blanket ban on all crypto transactions and mining, hitting Bitcoin and other major coins, and pressuring crypto and blockchain-related stocks. They don't want their people to have the power, and that's what cryptocurrency gives them, the financial freedom. and they don't like that one iota. They would rather give you their money and put it under their terms. Anyways, crypto mining. Russia is the world's third largest player in Bitcoin mining, behind the United States and Kazakhstan up there. Wow. Though the latter may see a minor exodus over years of tightening regulation following unrest earlier this month. Gosh darn it, Kazakhstan. Stay strong. Let's see. Kazakhstan's Bitcoin paradise may be losing its luster. Kazakhstan may no longer be the Bitcoin sanctuary it once was, according to some big miners who are looking to leave the global crypto hub following internet shutdowns last week that compounded fears about tightening regulations. The government web shutdowns during an explosion of unrest in the country, the world's second largest center for mining, caused Bitcoin's global computing power to drop around, computer power, you got it, I'm saying, to drop around 13% as data centers used to produce the cryptocurrency were knocked offline. It's an ADHD boy's dream here, this website, Reuters. All right, so Russia doesn't want to allow its citizens to make illegal and stuff trades, but they really don't want them to be building money that's more valuable than their currency at an exponential rate, and I think that's bull-hulky, and that's my personal opinion. And I will go on the Trans-Siberian Railroad one day. Take that to the bank on my way to Mongolia. The Crypto Ninja channel. Where's that Crypto Ninja at? He's got me doing all this editing down and whatnot. It's really getting on my nerves. I mean, he sends me all this video input and, oh yeah, you got all the time in the day. And he hasn't even got me into the Neuralink program. I mean, if you're going to have me do all this work, at least get me into the Neuralink program. I could use a little quicker, processing speeds. Okay. Hook me up to the computer. Alrighty. So, Alan Dorzoyev on the National Association of Blockchain and Data Center Industry in Kazakhstan, which represents 80% of legal mining companies in the country, said most crypto producers were now back online. According to 4 major miners interviewed by Reuters, with some saying they or their clients may look for other countries to operate in. Wow. Well, I hope the Kazakhstanis stay strong and keep harvesting that Bitcoin. Keep harvesting that Bitcoin. Also, quickly, this show is brought to you by MunkerPups.com. That's right, MunkerPups.com is your store. It's an online store dedicated. Find people that are bullied and have them train jiu-jitsu or any other martial art. Your purchase goes directly to combat the effects of bullying by sponsoring individuals that have been affected by bullying in cooperation with jiu-jitsu and other martial arts academies. No BS. Check it out. And someone tried to defraud me on this husband Zeno, and I'm paying the price. Some dude from Miami. Matty Ice. Ain't so nice. But I think overall, the market still, it's got potential long term. The short term, could be a grind. Maybe we're seeing a little bit of an increase here in the last minute. 41.6 is going back up. Hopefully back up to 42, 43. Really what we're waiting for here is a shot up to 46, 47. We're going to see that again. Until next time, the Crypto Ninja channel. Oh, yeah. The Crypto Ninja will be back next week, early next week, hopefully, with more extensive news on the market. Maybe some hot altcoin picks. You're just taking that next step into the metaverse, my friends. Into the metaverse, into the cryptocurrency world. And the metaverse is just a part of it. They are synced together. And right now they are kind of disconvoluted. But as the networks and all the blockchains become more fluent, it can cross-chain. The cross-chain, that's a very important, those type of technologies.
Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Crypto Ninja.